Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will start with very new chapter, that is lines and angles. This is chapter 5. So let's start with the first topic, that is the lines. So what do you understand by the line? Okay, so lines, what lines called? Lines are called, if we draw a straight line, suppose that I have drawn this straight line and this is the straight line, but this is the endless line. Okay, it does not have any end points, so this is called the line. It does not contain any end point, so this is the endless line. Okay, now what do you mean by line segment? Line segment, line segment, what do you mean by line segment? Okay, so in line segment, the line which contains some endpoint, so it contains two endpoints and that is called the line segment. So in line segment, suppose that I draw this line. Okay, this is the straight line and it contains 2 points. It contains 2 points. One is this point, one is this point, and other one is this point. Okay, so these are the 2 points and these are the end points, so these are called the line segment. So we have to name these points. Whenever the end point it contains, we have to name it. So suppose that I name it this point as a and this point as a B. So we will write like this: AB is a line segment, A, B, or we can make above a line also, or we can also write like this, AB. So we prefer like AB only. AB means AB is a line segment. So when the two line segments join together, so they form a angles. So I am repeating again, when two line segments join together, they form the angle. So see the example here. Okay, so these are the two lines. This is this is the first line segment and I name this line segment as a AB, and here I draw with another line segment which join the previous line. So these two lines are joining together. Okay, so they make a angle. So here is the angle. This line segment name is A, this is I name it B, so this is I name it as a C. So CAB, so angle A, this is the angle A, this is the angle, this is called angle. When two line segments join together, they form an angle. And what is the name of this angle? See, the joining point of the line is called the vertex. Okay, so this is the joining point, this point is the joining point, so this joining point is called the vertex, and the name of the vertex is the name of the angle. So how we can say? We can say like that angle A, the name of this angle, is angle A. Now the next topic is the complementary angles. So in complementary angle, first understand the definition. What is the complementary angles? So in complementary angles, the sum of two angles, is equal to 90 degree. Then the two angles are the complementary. Suppose that, take an example, here is the example I am taking. Suppose that the angle A, the value of angle A is 30 degree. Okay, and the angle P, the value of angle P is 60 degree. So the sum of angles, angle A plus angle P, when we add these two, substitute the value 30 plus 60. When you add these, it becomes 90 degree. Okay, so the answer is 90 degree. Therefore angle A and angle P are complement to each other. So angle A and angle P are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay, now we can also say the angle, they are complement to each other. That means angle A is complement, angle A is complement of angle P, or we can also write like this, angle P is complement of angle A. So angle P is complement of angle A. Okay, so this is the complementary angles. Now next topic is the supplementary angles. So what do you mean by the supplementary angle? Since in complementary we know that the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Similarly in supplementary angles, the sum of two angles should be equal to 180 degree. So suppose that I take the example, suppose that the angle A, and if angle A is consist of 120 degree, the angle A is 120 degree and angle P is 60 degree, then the sum of two angles, that is angle A plus angle P, is equal to 120 plus 60, that is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A and P are the supplementary angles, and we can also write this, angle A and P are the supplementary angles, and angle A is supplement, angle A is supplement of angle P, or vice versa. Vice versa means we can also write this like this, angle P is the supplement of angle A. Here we are ending our video. Thank you.